Hello everyone, welcome to our English listening practice. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe so you can grow with this community and learn English through inspiring stories like this one. Now, let's begin the story. Anna returned to her childhood home after her mother, Catherine, passed away. The house, nestled in a quiet neighborhood by the sea, was full of memories: her mother's laughter in the kitchen, her father's rare visits, and growing up mostly with her. Catherine raised Anna alone after Anna's father left before Anna was born. Anna had always believed she was an only child, born into a single-parent household. One rainy afternoon, while sorting through her mother's wardrobe, Anna discovered a small dusty wooden box hidden behind sweaters. Curious, she opened it and found yellowed letters tied with ribbon, a silver necklace with a unique pendant, and old photographs of a woman she didn't recognize, someone who was clearly important but unknown to her. She unfolded the first letter. It began, "My dearest Anna, if you're reading this, I have passed away. I am your aunt, Catherine's sister Elise." Anna realized then that Catherine was not her only mother. She spent the next days reading more letters. Elise explained that she was her biological mother, that she had fallen in love with a man named Mike. When Elise discovered she was pregnant, she faced an impossible choice. She loved Anna's father, Michael, but she could not destroy her sister's life, so she left. Anna was born. Catherine raised Anna with born, knowing the truth quietly and protecting the family from scandal. In her journal, Elise wrote, "Catherine promised to raise Anna with all her heart. I knew I could not stay out with secrets that would hurt my sister. I left to protect Anna's future." Anna learned that Catherine had never remarried, never spoke of Michael, never mentioned Elise. She assumed she was the only child, but she was always meant to be loved by two women. Driven by grief and curiosity, Anna used Elise's letters to find her last address, a tidy cottage by the sea. When she knocked, Elise opened the door. At first, they stood quietly, two women separated by love, time, and regret. Over coffee and quiet tears, Elise spoke. "I left when I realized my love would hurt Catherine more than it healed me. I couldn't see Anna raised in shame for both of us and for her." Anna gently asked, "So Catherine is my real mother?" Elise nodded, her eyes soft. "Yes, Catherine raised you as her own daughter. She never mentioned me to you because she wanted your life full of peace and love. She kept my secret to protect you." Anna closed her eyes. She had always known Catherine's love was strong. Now she understood its depth. They spent hours, Elise recounting every regret and blessing, Anna asking questions about infancy, about Michael, and about the years of silence. As the sun set, Anna stood by the water outside the cottage. "Will you come back to the city with me?" she asked softly. Elise smiled through tears. "If you want me to." A few days later, Elise moved back into Anna's old house, the same home of Catherine's love. Together they placed the box in the living room, the letters visible, not hidden anymore. Anna sometimes opened them, ran her fingers over the ribbon, felt both sorrow and forgiveness. They started a new routine. Anna now had a mother, Catherine, in memory, and a living aunt. Elise helped plant flowers in the garden where Catherine once sang. They invited neighbors for tea and shared pieces of Catherine's favorite cake recipe. Slowly, healing unfolded. Anna visited the old oak tree where she once played. She carried Elise's necklace and whispered, "Thank you for loving me in silence, for sacrificing your presence. I know now I was loved twice." This story shows that family isn't always what we believe. It can be formed by sacrifice, protection, and quiet love. It shows how truth can bring sorrow but also freedom, and it honors the courage it takes to leave or to stay. For English learners, you heard real verbs like discovered, sacrificed, protected, remembered, whispered, and emotion words: love, regret, forgiveness, secret. If this story touched your heart, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who may need a reminder of love's many forms. Thank you for listening. See you next time.